Today, I want to share a quick no-mess Valentine's activity that's great for children of different ages and even infants. The supplies that you'll need are paint, cardboard or paper, storage bag, and tape, and you can use glitter if you like. You want to have your supplies laid out on the table in advance so you're ready to go. And what you'll do is add the paint into the bag. Here I chose to use red and white, and then we added glitter at the very end, and make sure it's sealed tightly. That way, paint isn't able to get out. And then we'll close our bag.
I want to do that too, please.
Hi, Lulu! And then you can let your children play with the items. Now, it's fine to let it be untaped and let them move the bag around, but if you have an infant that you're working with, then you might want to tape it down to the tray so they're not just putting it into their mouth. And now you have a simple and easy activity that you can do with your kids for Valentine's Day.